Hello, this is Shahbaz and welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn the basics of the Laravel, how to control your models, controllers and views, how you can create routes according to your requirement. So this video especially for beginners, for the basics of the Laravel. So let's start. If you have not subscribed yet, please click on the red button below and also be sure to hit the bell icon for the notifications of the latest videos. So first of all, we'll go to the control panel of the XAMPP and start your server. And now I'm gonna get the directory of htdocs. Okay, so we have to create the project of Laravel with the composer command. Create project Laravel. And now you have to write your project name like Lara project, project. So then start. It will take little bit time. And if you don't know the requirements of before installing the Laravel, you can see my previous video. In that video I explained which extensions of PHP you need to on, or and then after that how to install the composer in your localhost or in your Windows operating system. So you can see in my previous video in the detail. It will take little bit time more. So our project is installed. Let's see the XAMPP server and htdocs, and here is our project, Lara project. So we need to serve this. Okay, go to the Lara project directory and now run this command php artisan serve. So our Laravel is installed with on this port 8000 localhost. Localhost 8000. So our Laravel is installed now. So let's see the directory. Now I'm gonna open the project of Laravel. See in the XAMPP htdocs. Here's Lara project. Okay. So our project is here. So let's see how this works. First of all, we have to go in the routes in the web directory. Here are the routes of the website of your project. Like, let me create a route. Route is get and the name is like the list, and here I'm creating a function. The function is echo list page is working. Okay, now I created this route, save it. Now I'm going back slash list. So now you can see this page is working. So all the routes in your website you can create in the web php web.php file. Now when the list, now we will learn how to create the views in the resources under the views folder in the views directory. Here we will create a directory. Okay, a new file. The file name is list.blade.php. Okay, sorry, list.blade.php. So this is the list.blade.php. Here we can set html list. This is a list view page. So now we created this list view page, and now we have to give the return view which page, list. You can see this is the list view page. Now you learn how we can create the views through the web.php. We just need to create the route and then go to the and return to any view, and then we have to create a blade.php view file. Then when we create this, now we will see how the controllers works for the getting the views. Okay, now I'm gonna open the file app directory. In the http directory, go to the controllers. You can make the controllers through command, and now I will show you how to create the controllers manually. So just need to create a new file, same like list controller.php. List controller.php created. Copy. Change the name, list controller. Okay, and the one thing is important, the class name and your file name should be the same, must be the same actually, because it's a rule of Laravel. Okay, this is the, now I'm gonna extend this class controller. So we don't need controllers. Okay, okay, this is here. Now I'm gonna create a function, public function list, and this is a page, this is a controller. Okay, here I write this is a controller. Okay, how controller works? Now we go to the web.php. Here I wrote the function, so now we don't need to write the function, we just need to create a controller name, list controller, class, and then give the name of the function which you want to call. Like I have created this function, list function, just need to give the name of the list function. Okay, after this when you create it, now when this URL will run, then in the list controller list function will call, the list controller list function will call. Now we'll check. What happened? That does not exist. Okay, sorry. So when we use the class, then we have to tell the app slash http slash, let me copy from there, controller, I use this one. Where is my web pro? So you have to actually controller slash your controller name, we have to include for this. No. Okay, let's see. Now you can see this is a controller. Now here we can call the view through the controller, except of this return view, the name is play dot is where is the, and the raw sources in the views is list. Okay, I have to give them the name of list. Now you can see this will show. Now this is a view page. Now you learn how to handle web, I mean routes, how to handle views, and how to handle controllers. So after this I'm gonna show you how to model works. Actually what is the purpose of models? Basically models used for getting the data from the database especially, and then you can use allocant through the models. You can get the data from the database with two ways. The first one is you can add the class of models in your controller, and the second way is you can create the allocant model, and then you can get from the models data from the models, and easy for use and easy for the program. So then I will use through the models how to allocant work. Okay, let me create a model, and we can create with the we can create the model with two ways. The first one is with the php artisan make command, and then the second one is through the manually. In this case let me create a model with the cmd way with the composer command. Let me go to xampp slash /r project Lara project, and then we will create artisan make model, and model name is, let's suppose we are getting the departments list, so the list is department. Okay, get me the name of department. Okay, so the model is created. Let's create in the models directory, in the app, under the app directory, and after that under the models directory our model is created. Now we can get here, we will show, let me copy something, and this thing here I'm gonna write, let's suppose I want to create fillable with fillable fields, email and name. Okay, email, name, department name is enough for now. Okay, just name. Now we have to create the database. I already created in the Lara project, and departments id name updated at created at. This document. Okay, let me save this file. Let me get okay, departments. No, we don't have any data. Department 1, department 2. Now I created okay, here we are. I have created the 4 record of the departments. Now the first thing you have to follow, if your model name is singular, then your data table, sorry, your database table is must be the, it should be the actually the plural, like department and departments. And if you want to change your database table name, then you have to tell to the model here, protected $sign table, and then your table name. If you want to change the table name like my tables, project tables, like extra, and if you use the departments, then you don't need to put the table name in the model. Okay, so our work is done according to the for the model. Now let me get the model in my controller. Department, and let me open this. Is any effect? No, it's not effect because we didn't use the model. Now we will use like list is equal to department colon all. Now you can use the allocate functions and find in the Laravel website. And here is all the allocate functions. You can choose like how to get the name all, where, order by, take to get. Okay, now let me find and then compact list. I'm gonna send this list. Now I'm gonna send this list in the views table. Let's see. Okay, now go to the blade.php file. Contact departments table. Tr name id name for each list as list is the list of id list of name and for each. Let's see. Here let me give a mod border. Okay, now you can see this is the list of the departments. I just used the department allocate model, so this is really helpful for the for big type of big projects. So you can use allocate and then easily you can use also like where id greater than 3 get greater than 3, so only 4 greater than 2. We will find 2 records. Like you can use this way. So thank you for watching this video. Today we actually for now is end. Okay, so we learned today how to handle views, routes, controllers, models, and this is the basic use of the Laravel. If you want to use Laravel, then you have to learn about these things. So in this video we covered all these things, and in the next video I will show you how to paginate this list, because in meanwhile you will get a huge of data in the database. So how to manage this data and how to paginate with the Laravel using Laravel functions. So in the next video I will show you uh, how to create a paginate. And for now, if you didn't subscribe, please be sure to hit the bell icon in the red button below. And also, okay, so if you didn't subscribe, please click on the red button below, and also be sure to hit the bell icon for the notifications of the latest videos. See you in the next video. Thanks.